Polybuilding, one of Singapore's major supplier, fabricator, and installer of natural stone since 1974. Polybuilding's operation and support services are housed at a factory located at number 8 Tuas Avenue 11, Jurong. With a factory cover built-in area of approximately 7,000 square meters, they are able to provide a full service to all the valued customers. Located within this factory, there is a slab yard and warehouse. It is where we stock a vast range of natural stone products in really various sizes. Our factory is equipped with various high-tech machineries such as bridge cutters, surface treatment machines, water jet machines, edge profiling polishing machines, drilling machines, etc. This machinery and support have been specially acquired to achieve the quality and quantity output necessary to meet your project's requirements. Know that you are in good hands and that we will be with you every step of the way. Here are some projects under Polybuilding's wings. Polybuilding. Have it built for you. Any questions?